I got through it without crying. Wow. Hey guys, it's been a while, eh? Yeah, I have found it very hard to function for a few months now. And so, yeah, the last video I did was in the garden because since late spring and the summer, the garden has been my place of solace. The garden has been my place of refuge. And so I shared one garden video with you guys, and the video before that was about pillows that I had already made in the shop. Now, I did that because I was having difficulty concentrating. I was having difficulty focusing and making good quality videos. And if you have watched my videos, you know I try my best to give you guys excellent video lessons, right? And in the last maybe two plus months, I have put out 2 videos, which is unlike me, and so yeah, I am just wanting to share with you because I feel like I owe it to you to let you know why I haven't been around, because you guys have been here with me. You've given me a community to share with. You have supported my channel. You have subscribed, shared my videos, liked my videos, give me your comments, your feedback, and I appreciate that a lot. So since we are sharing with each other, I think it's only fitting that I share with you guys and let you guys know why I haven't been doing consistent videos. No, it's not that I've been working on the studio. Remember, I showed you a video earlier on when things were much better of me working on the studio. But as time progressed, it got harder and harder for me to focus and make excellent videos. Now, in this moment, it has peaked. Everything that has happened or has been happening has peaked, and I'm at a point now where I have to deal with that. And it's hard dealing with it. It's very hard dealing with it. Yes. So many of us have lost loved ones in 2018. I lost my brother, and my brother was sick for a while. And so throughout that period of time, I wasn't living my best life because I was losing weight. My health was not the best. And after he passed, and a few months after, I started kind of coming back to life. Now recently, my loved one, I should say one of my first loves, has been ill. And so I felt myself going through the same thing I went through when my brother was sick. And right about now, I am kind of tiny. I'm much tinier than I am usually. Things are falling down the waist. But I still have life, and so I still have hope. And you have 2 first loves when you are born. Your mom and your dad. Well, for me, those are my 2 first loves. My mom and my dad. Those loves are irreplaceable. Irreplaceable. I've shared with you how my mom has taught me so much. She's taught me a lot without even taking me to sit down and to listen or to watch. It's almost like she just did. And because I was interested, I picked up on lots of things. And so I learned a lot from her. She always liked to garden. She always liked to make floral the arrangements and stuff like that. But from I was born, my mom sewed everything for my siblings and I. We did not buy clothing. She sewed everything. Even when she had a problem with her knee, she was using a pedal machine, one of those singer sewing machines that you have to pedal. I would sit beside her and I would pedal the sewing machine. Oh, she didn't use patterns. She just tell her what style you wanted and she would make that style for you. She actually did my wedding dress. Yeah, my mom did my wedding dress. And so I learned a lot about sewing from my mom. No, she did clothing. I like to say I do clothing for furniture, right? And so I do soft furnishings. But I credit my mom with that love I picked up for that, and the fact that I always like pretty things and like to decorate and stuff like that. So when I went to high school, yeah, I learned a little bit more about sewing, but high school was like grade 7 to grade 9. That was it. My mom was my whole life before high school, right? And so I credit most of my sewing abilities with my mom I got from my mom, and yeah, with my own interest, because you have to have an interest in something to be able to grasp it, right? And then things I learned as I go. I learned as I went. I picked up a lot of stuff, right? But my mom transitioned recently, and it hurts like crazy. If you've ever lost a parent, if you've ever lost a mom, you know what I'm talking about. It hurts a lot. And so in this moment, I'm not giving up on doing videos, but I'm dealing with stuff. And the best way I find to deal with it is to be in the garden. And so that is why I have not been in the studio. I have been in the garden, and I have been sharing what I have been doing in the garden on my country life channel, because we moved to the countryside 10 years ago and we are trying to develop the property, and there is so much that we're doing, and I figure I want to share it, and so I made a separate channel for that. So I am mostly in the garden because, as I said, that's where I find solace, right? So that's it, guys. That is why I have not been in the studio a lot. Like, I come and go, but I'll come in here and you see me, I have stuff on the table. I stopped sewing the slipcover I was sewing for the couch because it was so hard. It's still so hard to focus, but I'm gonna push through it. Thank you guys so much for being here. Thanks for your support on the channel. Thanks for your understanding. And I will be back. I will be back. Videos might be sporadic. I might not be getting into anything too heavy because it's a difficult time right now. But I will be here. I will be here. I will be here. My mom transitioned on the 8th of August. Her birthday, her 84th birthday, was on the 1st of August. Yeah. I needed her here with me, but God had other plans. And I will find a way to move on. I won't move past it, but I'll find a way to move with it, if that makes sense. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please continue to check out the channel. There's so much there that you can still watch, right? And share, like, and comment, because I appreciate this. platform in this community a lot. You take care now. Love and blessings. Walk good. I'll see you again soon. I got through it without crying. Wow.